Hello my dear friends, welcome back again. This tutorial you will learn change date and time on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you are new here to my channel, consider to subscribe it. So let's begin. First open settings, then scroll down to the very bottom, go to general management. After that tap on date and time option. Here at the very top you can see automatic date and time option. If you turn on your phone, simply turn it off first. After the pop-up menu appear, you can see two options, set date and set time. First of all tap on the set date option. After that select the exact date if you want to set it. For example, I am select 27, then hit done. After it OK, tap on the set time option. Then select the exact time if you want to set. Once you have successfully set the time, confirm by tapping the done button, and you have successfully changed your date and time using your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching.